Hello everyone, once again this is HR and I'm just going to go over with you the simplicity of the application, the practical application of the mud. And so what we're going to get into right now is once again you have many choices of liquids that you can use with the mudpack itself. But all that we're going to do is I'm going to actually mudpack one of my downloads right now, my left hand. And since my hand is typically double the size of everybody else's, I'm going to use double the dosage here and use, rather than 2 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this container you have about 16 applications worth. And all that you're going to do is take, once again, the powder, the mudpack powder itself, and some of the liquid. And you want to take about, typically the directions call for about 2 teaspoons. I'm double the size of the directions. So I'm going to shoot for 4 teaspoons and I'm going to start making the mud. And now everybody's going to be a little bit different. So they're going to call for different serving sizes. And you may find that you need to use a little bit more liquid or powder or mudpack powder accordingly. So I do definitely need to do that. And then some. And that should do the trick. But as you can see, it mixes very quickly. And within just a matter of a minute or so, the mud's just about ready. And you want to get it to the consistency like that of Play-Doh. And it will go on wet, certainly, but it'll eventually dry after 15 minutes or so on the hand. So I'm just going to pour a little bit more liquid here because I just want a little bit better consistency, and I think that'll be good. A little bit more liquid makes the powder go a long way. There we go. And so that is the consistency that we're looking for. Mud. And the other thing that you want to add besides the powder and the liquid is a capsule of the HCl like we spoke about earlier. And that just goes in there nicely. So that looks good. And so before I apply it, I'm going to go ahead and just massage the hand. And you can give a good massage to the hand to stimulate the blood flow, the lymph flow, the nerve flow in the area. Give a good massage for about 5 minutes or so. And then you simply apply the mud. And the mud should go on quite easily. And we're going to do both sides of the hand, front and back. And we'll make sure you get all of it. With the hand, you want to do both front and back of the hand of the downloads, the same thing with the feet, front and back. When you're on an actual site, on the torso of the body or on the limbs, remember that you only want to do it about 3 inches. But for the hand, you're going to use a little bit more. Okay. That's pretty much it. It's that simple. And once this is completely applied, you can go relax, sit in a chair, lay down for about 15 minutes. And this is essentially what it's going to look like. And I'd like to try to even make it sometimes a little bit thicker than that, but I think you see where I'm going with it. And that's as simple as it is. And so what you want to do is for about 15 minutes, keep this on, 10-15 minutes, and then after about 10-15 minutes, just simply wash it off. And as you're going to see, it washes off very nicely. It may dry a little bit, but essentially it comes off. And you can use a little bit of liquid soap. All right. And that's it. That is the practical application of a mud pack and putting it onto the body. Thank you.